Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I'm going to do a user review of a TaoTronics Bluetooth 5 soundbar. I bought this back in December 16th, 2019. I live with my brother in this house, and I get up quite early in the morning, 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. I used to put my stereo on, but it creates too much noise. So I needed something better sounding on my laptop. I have an MSI Raider laptop bought 2 years ago. It cost me like $2,500. It's got very good quality speakers on it, but I needed something with better sound, and I was searching for an option, and I found this TaoTronics, a soundbar. And I heard some in computer stores, different JBL and other ones, and this was on Amazon for only $45. That's all it was cost. $45 Canadian for this soundbar, and it sounds absolutely amazing. It's connected with, I'll show you here. I wish I did an unboxing video, but I didn't think I'd be so excited about this soundbar. So it connects with either Bluetooth, RCA, or a 3.5mm jack. And this is the sound quality. Just listen to this. Now, this is not going to do any justice. Let's listen to this on a Samsung phone, recording this on a phone. But the sound quality on this, when you're playing back iTunes music, is absolutely amazing. I could not get over how good this thing sounds. And most of the night, instead of having my stereo running, I'm using my laptop with a soundbar. Even though I got a super good stereo system, I still find myself using the soundbar. I just love the sound of this notebook. It's great. And I should have did an unboxing video, like I said earlier, on this, but I didn't think I'd do a video on this soundbar, but I'm just so excited about this soundbar. I just wanted to share it with you people. And there's a link in the description box below to Amazon.ca, Amazon.com. It's an affiliate link. Check out the price on what the bar is going for and the options and features. It's actually a fairly good deal. For $45, you can't go wrong. The only thing is, the bass isn't super deep bass. If you want a super deep bass, you have to go to JBL. But then you're paying like 3 times to 4 times as much money for a JBL soundbar. But in my opinion, this soundbar, that power supply right there is not for the soundbars, for a scanner beside there. But this soundbar is absolutely amazing. For $45, it just blew me away, the sound quality in this. And I just really enjoy listening to this soundbar on my laptop and computer. So like I said, if you want to check out the links in the description below, it's an affiliate link to Amazon.ca and Amazon.com. And just check it out and see what you think of it. There's a return policy on it, but I also have a lamp right there. It's a TaoTronics lamp. And TaoTronics actually is a very good quality electronics manufacturer. I'm just really surprised at the quality of their products, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.